Good morning, children. In last class, we completed our warm-up syllabus, right? So everyone know what are the problems in a warm-up. And today we'll start with the first chapter. Okay, first chapter is more on a large numbers. Okay, so we'll start with the chapter number 1. Chapter 1, more on large numbers. Okay, so we'll start with the chapter number 1, that is the more on a large numbers. In that, I hope everyone have a textbook, right? So everyone open the page number 9 here. Everyone has to open the page number 9. In that, first we'll solve the let's recollect problems. Okay, so we'll solve the let's recollect. Let's recollect. Okay, in that first main, what they given in the first main? Write the number names of the following. You have to write the number names of the following. Okay, they given two numbers. You have to write the number name. Okay, first one I'll show as an example. Second one you have to do it in your home. Okay, so first one, that is 456. How to write this number name here? That is 23,000. 456. Okay, 23,456. 23,456. This is the number name. Like that we have to write here. Even big one they given here, 1,34,750. They given here 1,34,750 they given here. How to write the number name here? 1,34,750. Like that you have to write the number here. Getting everyone? 1,34,750. Okay, so next we'll move to the second question now. Okay, first question over. Second question, write the expanded form of the following. Write the expanded form of the following. How to write the expanded form here? I'll show. Okay, we'll grab this one. First main over. So we are solving the next second main here. Second main, in that eighth one, they told to write the expanded form of the following here. So expanded form of the following is, first one, they given number here. Okay, so here 27,451 is there. 27,451 is the number, and you have to write the expanded form of this number. How to write the expanded form of a number? That is nothing but the 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 1. Okay, so this is called as the expanded form of a given number. Next, big one, what they given here? 8,70,156. Okay, so 8,70,000. Here 0 is there. Okay, and write a 0 only. Got everyone? So this is the 70,000, here 100 plus 50 plus 6. If a nothing value is there in a 1000 place, just write as a zeros. Okay. If you write a 4 zeros, it is also correct. If you are writing a only 1 zero, it is also correct. Okay. Whichever method you are convenient, that method you have to follow here. Okay. What is the thing here? We have to make it easy. Okay. Which one is the easier method? We go for that. Don't feel it is a difficult and don't do the difficult methods. Whichever there will be a many methods are there, right? While solving the problem, there will be a many methods are there. For each and every problem, there will be a 2 or 3 methods should be there. So which method you are feeling the easier, that method you have to follow here. Okay, only that is the thing. Then only you will get a maths as a easy. Otherwise, maths feel as a difficulty. Okay. So next we'll move to the third question. That is the write it in a ascending order. Write in a ascending order. Ascending order means what here? Ascending order is nothing but the smallest to the biggest value. I hope everyone know, because you are in a 5th standard. You know these things. I think you know these things very carefully, and so here write in a ascending order means you have to write the things in the smallest to the biggest number. Smallest to biggest number means you have to write, that is nothing but a ascending order. Okay, they given us some numbers here, and to find the first one which is the smallest number. After that goes right like this. Okay, so you will get the ascending order. I am not doing that. That is a homework for you. You only do it in your home. Okay. So next we'll move to the fourth question. What is the fourth question here? Make the smallest 5-digit number using a 37652. Make the smallest 5-digit number using a 37652. They given here 6 digits, but they told to make the 5-digit number. So we have to skip the one number here. We don't consider here one number. We have to cancel that number. Okay. Just I'll show on the board here. Okay. So here fourth main is you have to make the smallest 5-digit number using which digits? 5, 7, 6. Sorry, 3, right? 3, 7, 6 and 5, 2, 0. Okay. So here which number is a greater, that you have to cancel here, because 7 is a greater and cancel this number. Because they told to write the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. If they told to write the largest 5-digit number, then you have to cancel this 0 value. Getting everyone? They told the smallest number, that's why I am cancelling the larger number here. That is a 7. Okay. And using these other digits, we have to form the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. And which is the smallest number here? Of course, it is a 0 is the smallest number. But we don't write a 0 in a first place. Why? If you write the 0 in a first place, then it will be not a 5-digit number. It will become a 4-digit number. So that's why after the 0, which value is the smaller here? Here is a 2 is the smaller value. So write here 2. After that 0, after that 3, 5, 6. Okay. 20,356 is the smallest 5-digit number here. That is the smallest 5-digit number. Getting everyone? Okay. So next we move to the 5th question. Rounding off numbers. Rounding off. First one, 8th one is nearest to 10 value. So nearest to 10 value they said here. So here nearest to 10 means what is the question is there? 8th one, 74,540. 74,542 they given here. Okay. And nearest tens means we have to take only last 2 numbers. Getting everyone? We have to take the only last 2 numbers. Nearest tens. Tens means you have to take the last 2 numbers. 100 means you have to take the last If that is the 1000 is there, then you have to take the 4 values, last 4 values. Okay, but here nearest tens they told, so that's why I am taking this nearest 10, like, okay, nearest tens. That is a 42 I am taking here. And 42 is a number lies between which values? It is lies between the 40 to 50, right? So 42 is lies between which value? That is the 40 to 50. Right here, 40 to 50. Okay, the 42 number is lies between 40 to 50, and the middle number is what here? 45. Right? Middle number is 45 and the numbers are 40 and 50 here. And see here, the given number is, if the given number is greater than the 45, then it is nearer to the 50 value. If the given number is lesser than the 45, then it is nearer to the 40 value. Okay, we have to observe the middle number, that is the 45. Whether the given number is 42 here. 42 is a lesser or greater than the 45? Obviously it is a lesser than the 45. Lesser than the 45 means it is nearer to which value? 40 value. So write answer is 74,540. Okay, 74,540. So this is the answer here. Nearest 10 ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ round off ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Getting everyone? Okay. So next we'll move to the second beat question. And everyone studied in already 4th standard, right? I only taught in the 4th standard this rounding of numbers. Okay, even I remembered all the things. I hope you also remembered all the things, rounding of numbers, because you are my students, right? So that's why you also remember all the things whatever we studied in the our last class. Okay, so next we'll move to the beat question, that is 2435 to the nearest 100 value. So nearest 100 ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so you have to round off the given number nearest hundreds. Okay, so nearest hundreds, they said here nearest hundreds. Okay, and what is the question is there? What is the number? 2435. Nearest 100 means last 3 values we have to take here. Okay, just mark like this, then it will be easy for you. And 435 is lies between which value? Think yourself. 435 is a one number and it is lies between which numbers? It is lies between the 400 to 500, right? So right here first 400 to 500. And middle number is what here? Middle number is 450. Okay, and the given number is greater than the 450, then it is nearer to the 500. If the given number is lesser than the 450, then it is nearer to which value? That is nearer to 400 value. Getting everyone? If the given number is greater than the 450, then it is nearer to the 500 value. If the given number is lesser than the 450, then it is nearer to the 400. So here we are having the 435 value. 435 means what it is? It is lesser than the 450, right? So it is nearer to which value? It is nearer to the 400. So the answer is what here? Answer is 2400. Okay, getting everyone? Okay, we'll move to the next question, that is the seat one. Seat question. Here seat one is 35,000. Nearest 1000 they say. Okay, they say 1,35,765 to the nearest thousand value. Nearest thousand value means what we have to take here? Last four values. Last four, this, because 5 is in a thousand place, right? From that you have to take the values here. Okay, so that is the 5,765 there. And now in which number it is lies here? It is lies between 5,000 to 6,000. Okay, 5,000 to 6,000. Okay, middle value is what here? 5,500. Okay, if the number is greater than the 5,500, then it is nearer to the 6,000. If the given number is lesser than the 5,500, then it is nearer to the 5,000 value. Okay, the number is 5,765 is there. The number is 5,765 is there. Whether it is greater than 5,500? Yes, it is the greater than the 5,500. Then the answer will be 6,000. So answer, how to write the answer here? Answer is 36,000. Okay, instead of writing a 5765, we have to write the 6,000 here. Getting everyone? 1,36,000. 1,36,000. Okay, 1,36,000. That is the answer here. Okay, we finished the let's recollect things. Let's recollect means what? Whatever the things we studied in our last class, as well as whatever the things we studied in a warm-up syllabus, that the things they given here. Okay, so just recollect the things. Whatever you learned, all the things you have to recollect it. Then only it will be easy to solve all the exercise in a first chapter. That's why they given here let's recollect. Okay, we completed let's recollect. Okay, so next we'll move to the next. Okay, we'll start with the exercise number 1.1 only. Okay, these are all nothing but a place values and expanded form, as well as the reading the that 7-digit number. Okay, while solving the exercise number 1.1, then only we can explain that. Okay, it's a very easy to study because you already studied the lakh place value. You already studied. Only next value is a 10 lakh. One value will extend here. Okay, that much is there. Don't feel it is a difficulty. Okay, it's a very easy concept. So we'll solve the exercise number 1.1 now. So open everyone page number 13. You have to open the page number 13. Okay, open everyone page number 13 and take your HW also. Okay, while seeing the video you have to take your HW and one pen. Okay, whatever the things I am doing in this video, you have to just write it in a HW. Okay, then only you can understand the concept. Otherwise you will not understand the concept here. Getting everyone? Okay, now we'll solve the exercise number 1.1. Okay, that is 1.1 here. In first they told write the following numbers in a place value chart. You have to write the following numbers in a place value chart. Okay, whatever the numbers they given a 4 numbers and they given already one here. See, this is a place value chart here. Place value chart they given and they given here 4 numbers are they given here. These 4 numbers you have to write in this place value chart. I'll show how to write this. Okay, already you know, some of people will know that. Okay, it's a very easy. So once more I'll tell here, that is the here ones and here is the thousands and next one is the here lakhs. Okay, in that place value chart you have to draw using a scale only. Okay, here 1, this is the 2, and here is the 3, and here is the 4th value. How to write it? Okay, for this much, and here this much. It is again 3 columns will come here, and here 2, and here also 2 here. Okay, so this is the first problem, second one, third one, here 4th one. Here ones, and here is the tens, and here is the hundreds, and here is the thousand, and here is 10,000. 10,000, and here is a lakh, and here 10 lakh. Okay, so this is the place value chart they given in your textbook, that is the page number 30, and I am going to write here, that is the first number is here 81, so this is A, here B, this is the C, and here is the D. Okay, what is the number they given here? 78,34,678. They given a number 78,34,678 here, and one in a ones place, which number is there in a ones place? That is the 8. Right here 8. In ones place the 8 number is there, that's why I am writing here 8. Next, in a tens place, which number is there? That is the 7 number. Right here 7. Okay. And in a 100 place, which value is there? That is the 6 value. Right here 6. In 1000 place value, which number is there? 4 is there. 4. Next, in 10,000 place, which number is there? 3. Right here. Okay. So next, in a lakh, which number is there? 8. In 10 lakh, which number is there? 7. Okay. So like this we have to write the place value chart here. Getting everyone? 78 lakh 34,678. And next number is the given here, big one, 97,000, 45,000, here 342. Here 2 is there, next 4 and 3, here 5 is there in 1000 place, and 4 is in a 10,000 place, and in lakh place 7 is there, and in 10 lakh 9 is there. So like this we have to write the numbers in a place value chart. I hope everyone understood this concept. Okay, so next C one and D one you have to do it in your home. Okay, that is a homework for you. And next we'll solve that is the second main. In second main they given in each of the following numbers write the place value of 5. Okay, so we'll solve the second main now. Exercise number 1.1, second main we are solving here. In second main they given write the place values of 5. Place value of 5 here, and 8th one is 21,15,239, and B one is 65 lakh 90,743, 59 lakh 34,210, 78 lakh 54,109. So you have to write the place value of 5 in front of that the numbers they given here are some boxes are there. Okay, like this I am telling here. Okay, they given here some boxes, in that box only how to write the place values. Okay, so first one is 21 lakh 15,239 is the given number. What is the place value of 5 here? You have to write the place value of a 5 number. What is the place value of a 5 here? 5. In which place 5 is there? Ones, tens, thousands. Sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousands, the 5 number is present. That means what is the place value of 5 here? 5000. Right here 5000. Okay. Next. In which place the 5 is there? The 5 is in a lakhs place. Okay, you have to write the 5 lakh here. That is the 5 lakh. Okay. So next, in seat number 5 is in a 10 lakh place. 10 lakh place means you have to write the 50 lakh. Okay, that is here 50 lakh. Okay. And here 5 is in a which place? It is in a 10,000 place. So 10,000 place, it is nothing but a 50,000. Right here a 50,000. Like this we have to write the. They asked only place value of a 5 here. If they mentioned 5, you have to write the. Observe the 5 place value and write the place values. If they given a place value of a 2, then observe the 2 number which place value and you have to write that value in front of that box. Okay, whatever the number they given here, that number we have to write here, place values. Getting everyone? Okay. So here 5000. If you are getting the with the zeros, how many zeros we have to put? That you are getting a confused. I am giving a one more clue. Okay, but it is not an actual method. But still, if you are getting a too much confused in that, so just follow this one. If they given a 5, right? Only 5 they given. Okay. So write first 5 here. After that, how many zeros are? How many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there. Okay, write 3 zeros. Next, again 5. How many numbers are there here? 5 numbers are there. Give the 5 zeros. And here 6 numbers are there. I am giving the 6 zeros. Here only 4 numbers are there. I am giving the 4 zeros in front of a 5 number. Getting? This is actually not actually method. Okay, only for people who getting a too much confusing taking the zeros. For that people I am saying this one. Okay, otherwise do as the same value, ones, tens, hundreds, count the numbers and write the answer here. Okay, so next one is a rewrite the numbers by using a commas and write their number names. You have to write the numbers, rewrite the numbers using a commas. You have to put the commas and write the number in the first box. After that, in next box you have to write the number name. In this box you have to write the numbers using putting a commas, and here you have to write their number name here. Okay, first one I'll show as an example, others you have to do it in a home. Okay, that is the third May. In a third May, 8th one I do. Okay, so 8th one they given a 4, 5, 3, 2, 9, 8, 7. Okay, here one box is there and here one more box is there. I just draw below that. Okay, but you have to draw here in front of this box only. Okay, here in that I am not having a space, that's why I am drawing here below. Okay, so here how to put the comma? First 3 numbers, after 2 numbers in Indian system of enumeration. Okay, so that is the 45, 32. Okay, so like this we have to put the comma here. So just put the commas and write the number name. What is the number name here? The number name is 45 lakh, 45 lakh, 32,000, 900, 987. So this is the number name, 45 lakh, 32,000 and 987. Like this you have to write. That is called as the number name and you have to put the commas for this number and write it in front of that box. Okay, so other 3 are the homework. Whatever the problems I given, that you have to do it in a HW and up to, and start writing chapter number 1 CW also. In CW you have to write the only exercise parts. Okay, don't write the other things in a CW. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.